Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we're back in Southwest Florida, as you guys can all see. But in this video I'll be taking my truck to a shop and getting it wrapped a yellowish greenish color, more on the yellow side though, and I will also be getting some new wheels for it. So yeah, let's actually get started. Let's actually head down to my driveway right now and check out the truck. Let's lock my doors here. And as you guys see, this thing is completely stock right now. So I will be taking it to the shop, getting some things done to it. But yeah, this thing is completely stock right now, nothing done to it. But here we go. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Let's bring this thing to the shop, get some things done to it, a new wrap and new wheels on this thing. So here we go. Let's head down to the shop. It is not too far away. It's actually at the dealership. They'll be doing it for me. But yeah, let's head down to the dealership right now. Not too far away. It's a couple of minutes. It's actually down the road right here. Not too far away. Yeah, I did call before going, and they said they could get this all done for me today. So yeah, hopefully this thing looks better. I hope it does. But yeah, this thing's actually pretty nice truck. Stock, it actually looks pretty nice already. But yeah, we'll be getting a couple things done to this thing, trying to make it look a little bit better, or so. But yeah, so dealership is not too far away. It's actually down here, not too far away. But yeah, alright guys, here is the dealership. We finally arrived here, and I just called before going in, before pulling up here. I actually parked on the side of the road, called them before going, so I could just put the truck into the garage real quick, into their little workshop here, so we could get this thing done as quickly as possible. So here we go. Let's pull this thing in, and hopefully they have it done soon. Alright guys, so just got out of the dealership talking about prices and everything, and they said that the truck was done, and ooh, there it is. I see it from here, and this thing actually looks a lot better in my opinion. I don't know, this thing actually looks really cool. I don't know, this thing actually looks really nice in this color, especially. Really love the color. Wheels look pretty nice too, as you guys can see. Pretty nice. But yeah, this thing actually looks really clean. I really like how it looks. As you guys can all see, really nice. Let's actually hop into the truck here. And here we go. So I was thinking on whether or not I should lower the car or not, but I decided not to. I don't know, it looks better at its stock ride height in my opinion, but I'm not too sure. So I just kept it stock because I felt like it looks better stock. But yeah, this thing looks really clean. But yeah, let's actually take this thing off-roading, see how the suspension is on this thing. Haven't took this thing off-roading ever. Not too sure how this thing would off-road with these wheels here. But yeah, let's head to the little off-roading site and test the suspension and how this thing off-roads. Alright guys, just made it to the off-roading site here. It's an area I like to test my trucks in, but yeah, let's actually check out the specs of this thing. So it's the 2021 Ford F450 Super Duty, and this thing has around 474 horsepower and 1051 torque, and this thing weighs 8,586 pounds, and this thing is all-wheel drive. That's actually a lot of torque right there. So I think this thing should do pretty well. Let's start off climbing this here. And this thing actually does pretty well, not gonna lie. Here we go, let's take this a bit slow. And there we go. Right, this thing actually does pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. Compared to some other trucks I have tested, this truck right here actually performs pretty well climbing these sand piles here. Yeah, this thing actually does pretty well here. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is actually doing pretty well. Alright, we're having we're having some trouble here, but let's see. There we go. Yep, there we go. Right, as you guys see, this thing did pretty well, not gonna lie. Ooh, this thing actually is doing pretty nicely. Yeah, so off-roading test, this thing actually does pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. Really like how this thing is performing right here. But yeah, I think that would sum up the video. I think I would probably conclude the video here, guys. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down some video ideas you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place the best up.